Right then, here we are. Another day. I really wanted to get that window in today, but the weather's not looking good, so I don't fancy it. So I've decided to just finish off the wiring. We did the socket down there last night. I've made a start. I'm starting to run some cabling, so that's ready for my socket to join in, pretty much like we did at the other side. Extending the spur basically. We're going to go through here, which I've ran. I'm just going to put a single socket there, surface mounted. That'll do for the fridge, and I'm just going to continue the trunking up on the inside of this wood, hide it along the back there, and I've already put that's my outside lights from the house, but I'm going to bury that now inside this trunking, and then run the feed back to the box, and then that's created my ring main, better than all these spurs that we had. So I'm going to get pulling this cabling. So we're not doing bad. You saw that before. Into the socket. I've just run the trunking. There's a bit of a white down, running all the way up the back, across the top, running up there, and we've just ran it in. And then I've just had the board out and pulled it in, so it's power's off at the minute. I'm going to do the sockets, finish off the ring. Job's a good one. Then we've got the power on, all the power and bits are done. I'm just going to take this socket off now and join it up. Let's go. So we're all wrapped up. That's ready to get filled in. Put a bit of plastic sheave on, more than likely. I'm going to leave that as I haven't done any cladding yet. I've got the fridge off at the minute, so I'm going to leave these two sockets until I've done the window. But what I do want to do is I want to get the fridge in position, so all I've done is I've just bared back these. I like to keep them connected rather than cutting and stripping the ends. I don't know, I think that's just a better job. So I'm going to neaten that fold up, connect the single socket, get the power back on. I need to connect up them tails there, and then we can get the power on, and I might tackle the window. I mean, it's still a bit breezy, very breezy, but at least the rain's holding off. There we are, all wired in. Put the front on and get the fridge in. So I was about to take the window out and realise I ain't got a socket anymore, as I've took it off the wall, and I can't get to the fridge one. So I've ended up wiring these two new ones on. I've got this one. We're going to have a large craft table here. It's quite an old desk that will come out of that this far. It's about 700 deep. So we've got a couple of sockets. It comes out to about here. Obviously got the USBs for its phones and whatnot. Not taking up sockets, so I've got a couple there, even though it's an outbuilding. We're going to be doing a bit of crafting here, or whatever the wife wants to do. We've got a sewing machine that'll be coming down here. So I needed a socket to put the window in. We need the power tools, so I've wired them in, so that's it. Let's get the window done.